Using Walmart app to find items in store is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Walmart app to find items that are available in your store. So for that you have to go to your Walmart application, and here you have to search for whatever the item that you're looking for. Suppose I'm looking for portal water, so this is my recent search. And I'm going to search for that now. Here you simply have to tap on this installer option. I just unchecked it, so whenever I take it I'll be able to find these items that are available in the Walmart store. So just need to you will be able to see what are the products available, and after that you can easily buy them, as you know that these products are available. You will easily be able to buy them. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.